Hey everyone, it's Eyezy again, back with another video to help parents feel good about what their kids are doing online. Today we're talking about WhatsApp and how Eyezy is specifically designed to help you find out what they're saying and who they're saying it to. As a parent, it's natural to worry about your child's online activities, especially on WhatsApp. The app is super convenient, but it can also be super dangerous. Remember, with WhatsApp, anyone can contact anyone else just by typing in a phone number. If you're worried about who your kids are talking to, we've got you covered with the top reasons why you should give Eyezy a try. Number 1. You can view all of your child's WhatsApp messages just as if you were viewing them on their phone. Just click on the WhatsApp option on your dashboard, choose the conversation you want to peek in on, and voila! Number 2. You'll also have access to their contact details, including the number they're chatting with. It's easy to see their contacts. Just click the contacts icon. Click the suspicious person, and boom! You'll know their number. Number 3. If any calls are exchanged on WhatsApp, they'll be available for you to view on Eyezy too. Just go to the Calls tab to see all the call details. Look for the tiny phone icon. Everything's there. Now, let's dive into the most important part, installing Eyezy. We've got multiple installation methods available, so let's find out which one's right for you. For Android, you just need to choose a subscription, install Eyezy on the child's device, and go to the dashboard. After 24 hours, you will start receiving all their WhatsApp data. How often will the information be updated? You decide. Anything from every 5 minutes to every 24 hours. If they've got iPhone, you can choose between jailbreak and local sync. With the latter, the information is updated every 4 hours every time the child's device and your computer are on the same network. We hope this video has given you all the information you need to make an informed decision about using Eyezy to monitor your child's WhatsApp conversations. Remember, Eyezy is here to help you ensure your child's safety and well-being online. Got a question? Write them in the comments. We love hearing from you and we'll be sure to respond.